If you want to get your IRS stimulus check right now and you want to know where to get it, then stay tuned. Hey, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the status of your IRS check and how to get it. So what you can do is you can look up IRS check portal on Google, and it says get my payment Internal Revenue Service. So if you click on this, it will come up with the tool. And so this is on the IRS website, and basically what you can do is check on the status of your economic impact payment, and you can check your payment status, payment type, whether we need more information from you, including bank information. You may need your tax return from one of these years or some of these other forms, and it has information about if your status is not available. So if you want to actually access it and get your payment, what you can do is click on the Get Payment button. You'll get to this screen. You'll click OK. And then what you do is you're going to enter your tax number, your date of birth, your street address, and your postal code, and then you can hit continue. Then once you submit your information, it will give you your payment status. It will say we schedule your payment to be deposited on, and then it will put the date, and then it will give you information. If you don't see your payment credited to your account, check with your bank to see if they received it. So you can ask more questions, and then you can just click exit, and then it will log you out. So it's simple as that, right? You just put in your information after you Google the website, and then you can see the status of your check, and it should be direct deposited, or if it's not, you can check out the frequently asked questions, or contact the IRS, or your bank, and whoever you need to get more clarification on that. I hope this was helpful. This is a super great tool from the IRS right now because people are in need of some help monetarily, and I hope this gives a bunch of you some relief and that you can use it easily. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because I have more value each and every day about business and how you can make money online. If you want to learn how to make 6 to 7 figures online right now, then click the link in my description. I will outline it for you. Say make 6 to 7 figures online and with a bunch of stars and stuff. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.